Super Easy Drawings. Hello everyone! Welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a rainbow Minnie Mouse Poppet Fidget. Let's draw a Minnie Mouse head shape real quick. With her two rounded ears and her ribbon. Nice! Now let's divide all of her head like this, from the top to the bottom. Finally, let's draw small circles into all the lanes. Awesome! Great job! Now I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Now I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red on the top, then I use orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. And finally, purple. Yippee! If you like this video, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!